subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In the last video, we have learned about child routes. Now we will learn what are wildcard routes. Suppose I add one more slash and 2 in our URL. As you can see, we have an error that cannot match any routes. So in this case, what we need to do, so if the route doesn't match to any URL, we should redirect our user to 404 page not found page. Okay, so suppose I am adding here canteen. The route is not declared there. As you can see, we have cannot match any route error. So for that, we will create one more component, and that should be our page not found component. So let's create that component. So nggc component and page not found. So this component will only load when the URL that is entered by our user is not matching to any our declared routes in our app routing.module.ts. So let's go to app routing.module.ts, and here we'll have to declare that wildcard routes. Okay, so this is basically like now as you can see, our page not found component is being created with some HTML, default HTML. So let's change that first. Let's it be h1 page not found. Now let's save these changes and style it for now. Suppose that's margin something auto. Yeah, this will make it at the center. Let's go to our page. Now let's try to check something here. Yeah, now let's go to our routing.module.ts. Yeah, so here we'll write the new path as double asterisk sign or double stars. Okay, comma. So the component that will load will be our page not found component. So as you can see, it is already imported here. Now let's save the changes and let's try to add our unknown URL. Let's try to add 2. So now in this case, we won't be getting any error, but instead our page not found component is getting loaded. So this is how wildcard routes can be created in Angular. Let's try something more. So in home will be home. Okay, so let's try canteen, or yeah, let's try health. Okay, so you will see that page not found is coming. That means the page not found component is getting loaded.